everyone, Scott Grossman, project manager for the Clear Creek Canyon Park Gateway segment. We're here at the Gateway Trailhead, checking out progress of our future restroom and trailhead. Right now, we are in the actual restroom. We're standing in our maintenance room. You can see the big opening here for garage door. So this is our side-by-side maintenance vehicle, and then storage for materials and rescue gear. Over to my right here, you can start to see how the project's taking shape and how the building's taking shape. You have two doorways here. The one on the left is the entrance to a small unisex or family restroom. The door on the right will take you into the men's room. As we spin around, mirror image on this side, unisex or family room on my right, and then the female or the women's restroom on the left. You also start to see the roof line taking shape. We're gonna have two shed roofs, one coming off the south side here, one steeper coming off the north side, and then clerestory windows on the top to let light in. Trying to bring as much natural light in as possible so we can really limit and reduce the amount of light and electricity we have to use in the actual building. So we moved over to the oxbow, the middle of the oxbow for our suspension bridge. Last time we were here, we were checking out the tugger, the high line to get materials across the creek. Behind me now, you actually see the beginning phases of what will be our hiker-only suspension bridge. So you can see the concrete footer just over my shoulder here, and then the towers that go up. So you actually walk through those towers. You'll have cables that connect the towers, kind of sag in between, and dive into the rock, as well as into the hillside on the back side. This will be, like I said, a hiker-only experience. The elevation grade's a little different, so you actually have a couple stairs that will take you up to the bridge from our concrete trail surface right here. You'll walk across and you'll be able to get the interpretive loop of the old wooden flume, the historic wooden flume for the Welch ditch. So let's go on over, take a look at the wooden flume, the repairs that are going on right now, and see how it looks. We're up here on the historic wooden flume of the Welch ditch. This was built in the 1930s by the Golden Canal and Reservoir Company. All the wood comes from the West Coast Wood Preserving Company in the Seattle area. It's all Doug fir. It was shipped in on the train, built in the 1930s so that water could be transported as we're hanging off of the rock face here. When we took ownership of this, we closed it for safety reasons, mainly because a lot of the old rock walls that were supporting it had fallen away. So what we've come in and done is we've repaired it, made it structurally sound so that we can open this back up to the public. It's gonna have the same look and feel. It's gonna be rustic and old. It's gonna have lots of splinters, but it's gonna be safe structurally. So what we're doing is we're coming in and drilling micro piles. So those are big rods that go all the way down to bedrock, and then we build caissons on top of it, concrete caissons with structures that will then come out of the caisson and connect up into the wooden flume so everything's structurally sound and we can open it back up to the public. So this will be a nice interpretive loop, roughly a mile, the concrete trail on the other side. This one, the suspension bridge we just saw, and a set of stairs that will go down here in just a minute or two to connect into the concrete trail. So with that, let's go check out some finished sections of trail. So here we are on a finished portion of trail, or almost finished portion of trail. We're missing the railing and the stain on the concrete. But this is what it's gonna look like. Walls finished, 10-foot wide concrete. There'll be railing over here to help keep you on the trail so you're not falling off. But you can really get a view or vision of what this is all gonna look like. You see the curves, the bends, the trees. Really wanna make sure that this trail always looks like it's been here. As you walk down this way, you can come towards our bridge, our 163-foot long bridge, and our cantilevered section. This is poured in place. We have a little over 1,000 feet of trail poured, really trying to take advantage of this nice fall weather, get as much of this poured as possible. That wraps up this update. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you guys next month. And as always, be happy, be healthy, be safe. Take care.